Hey guys, Captain Donut here, and today I'm just gonna be doing a short little video on the first major prize, I guess you could say, in the Simpsons Tapped Out Halloween update. Yeah, you get 2,825 ray guns, and you get this new guy called the Bulldozer-saurus. So yeah, let's take him out of the inventory and check him out. Okay, don't mention this under bites. Okay, well there he is. He goes into the category Treehouse of Horror 20. I'm not sure. I'm bad with numerals, Roman numerals. But anyway, there he is right there. Let's see what happens when you tap on him. Whoa! Is that it? Okay. I guess that's pretty cool. He looks really cool. I like him. Yeah, he's a pretty awesome character. So yeah, like I said before, 2,825 ray guns for him. Not too many. But yeah, now we're gonna make our way up to that thing. I don't know what that is, but the thing I'm most excited about in this update is that guy, the guy from the X-Files episode. That's gonna be really cool, and I'm really gonna try to get him because I just think that's really awesome, and I love that episode. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this video on the Bulldozer-saurus. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.